Hey, hey, Jeremy, is this even working? How do you how do you handle this? I don't know. You figure it out. You're the expert. Hey, got the cameras rolling? Good. We're gonna start a show soon, okay? Hey, where's my coffee? Jeremy! Where's the script, man? I can't read without the script. Give it here. Come. Okay. And start. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be tackling on the Amazon, and I'll be staying there for 2 days straight and without most of the luxuries I have. So let's get started, shall we? Jeremy, your cat's dying again. Jeremy, hold the card still. I can't read while you have a stroke in the corner and your cat's busy howling at the back. What? What? We're on air? What do you... Oh, I forgot. Well, shit. Hi there, and welcome to Africa, the one place where I can finally get a break from my office work. What? What now? What is wrong with you, Jeremy? You interrupt me all the time, man. Yes, I know this is the Amazon. Thank you very much. What, you think this is Africa? Were you daft? Come on. Let me do my job. I'm the professional here. Excuse me. And keep that cat silent. Anyway, if you'll all look to the left over here, you can see these birds, these exotic birds. They're resting up that tree over here. Jeremy, zoom in a bit. Capture the white one. The bald one. Okay, fine. The ugly one. Yes, the one that reminds me of my uncle. Happy now? Oh, what the heck? It just dropped a branch on me. Where's my gun? Let me at him. Okay. I won't touch the bird. You got me. But let's just sit over here and we'll relax while I keep an eye on the bird so it doesn't try any funny business. Noise. Hey, what you got there? Is that a frog?
Why must I suffer in this cursed place?
Wait,
What's that noise?
Jeremy? Are you here? Help. Please.
Snake! Flee! Flee for your lives, you fools!
Wait, don't leave me here with them. What are you doing? Come back. Jeremy, don't you dare pull that trick on me again. It's so dangerous. What the heck were you thinking? What? My voice? Oh, you know why it changes so much because I haven't had my coffee at all. Concern this wind. I can't see anything at all. You know what? Let's just head back. You're bound to find something, hopefully. What the heck? Jeremy, why is your cat's toy on the ground where we can just slip and fall to our deaths? Please explain. You're not siding with the jungle now, are you?
Shh! Stop! You hear that?
There's something in these woods.
Something in them trees. I can see it. Rustling.
Oh. It's a monkey. Hey, pal. You want a peanut? There you go. I think he likes me. You want another? Jeremy.
Hey, Jeremy.
A peanut? What do you mean there are peanuts? We don't have an elephant here. What?
Fine, you know what? You're useless, Jeremy. You're useless. I'll do it myself.
Hey, listen, my little monkey pal. I don't have anything, but look, you can just scurry off and I'll get you something later on, okay? Okay, goodbye. Ow! Ow! He bit me! Hey! Kick him! Oh, No, wait. Is there a gang? Is there a gang of monkeys? That's it. We're out. We're out. Get to the jeep right now. Jeremy, hop on. Quick, quick. See you later, suckers. Ain't that right, my pal? Never going here again. Wait. Oh, fuck.